So ideally, if the stages are perfectly balanced, means that all these stages take the same amount of time, then this should be the speed up equivalent to the number of stages. So a speed up factor for 5-stage pipeline is nearly 5 times. And actual speed up is less than the ideal speed up. Why? Because of the hazards and overheads. We will talk about that in detail in the upcoming sessions. And in pipeline implementation, we are not concerned about decreasing the speed or decreasing the execution time. Rather, we are focused on the throughput, increasing the throughput. What is throughput? Remember, number of tasks executed in a unit time. So number of instructions executed in, let's say, 1 minute. Okay, so if we follow the pipeline architecture, then the number of instructions, we can increase the number of instructions executed in 1 minute compared to number of instructions executed in a single cycle processor. Get that? So we actually intend to increase the instruction throughput. If we take the same example, which we have just discussed in the pipeline structure, the first instructions are executed in 1400 picoseconds, and in the non-pipeline structure, the first 3 instructions were executed in 2400 picoseconds. And let's say if we increase the number of instructions from 3 to 1 million, okay? So if we increase the instruction from 3 to 1 million, you can see that in the pipeline structure, every next instruction will be executed in additional 200 picoseconds because the cycle time is 200 picoseconds. See it here. So the first instruction is executed in, let's say, 1000 here. What about this one? The next instruction took additional 200 picoseconds. Okay, the same is the case. It's mentioned here in the pipeline architecture. And in non-pipeline, every instruction takes 800 picoseconds additionally. So these are the calculations. So this is for the additional 3 instructions that we have already seen. So a speed up factor would now become equivalent to 4. Okay. So when we increase the number of instructions, only then you will see how the pipeline implementation is effective. Okay. So there was an activity plan, but of course I will not go through it.